Hey Beef, so I want to show you guys how I wash my QuickWeaves. I've been wearing them a lot more often lately, and it's been it's a little bit harder to wash your hair versus a sew-in. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm using the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength hair mask, and I'm just using that on my leave out. This particular QuickWeave, I had leave out not just in the middle part area, but also around the perimeter, which I will not be doing again. It's just too much maintenance for me. But I applied the hair mask and I've tied it up so it's out of the way. Now I'm just brushing out the hair so there's no tangles and it's easy for me to wash it. I can't remember the specific creator's name that I saw this concept and idea from. I will try and link her Instagram page down below, but like I obsess over her videos, and she's like a quick weave queen. So here I'm just detangling the hair, and my son had to make a debut, clearly. And then I'm going to go in and separate it and put into ponytails. Okay, so now I have my hair separated into two ponytails, and I'm going to be using the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. I've already wet my hair, and I'm just going to apply it to each section and basically lather it up, get the suds going, and just wash out any excess product. Clearly this is a family debut because there's my husband as well. But yeah, so I rinse it out, and now I'm applying the conditioner. As you can see, I'm almost out. And this, honestly, this is my favorite product to use for my weaves and wigs. I don't necessarily use it on my hair, but OGX, this particular line, I love using argan oil on my weaves and wigs. It just works really well. But I'm not lathering, I'm working that into the hair, and then I'm going to leave it, and we're going to go back to the leave out. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Carazana Goddess Strength shampoo, and I'm applying it to my leave out, and I'm just going to run it through and then rinse it out, and then go in with the conditioner as well. And while the conditioner in my leave out is sitting, I'm going to rinse out the conditioner in the tracks basically. And as you can see, my hair is reverting back to its natural state very well. I honestly don't use that much heat on my leave out. I straighten it the one time, and then I just kind of maintain it, a little touch up here and there if necessary. It really comes down to the products you are using on your leave out. For instance, I use heat protectant, heat spray, and also um, setting lotion, and that keeps it straight. I know some people use the wax stick, that also would help keep it straight. I guess it depends on the texture and the length of your hair as to which products work best, but the setting lotion has been doing my hair wonders. So I'm just working that conditioner in, and then I'm going to go in and rinse it out, and then rinse out the bundles. Okay, so now that I've towel dried the hair, I'm going to go in with the Icy Heat Protectant and the Chi, what is it, 45 Iron Guard hair heat protectant spray on my leave out. I'm also going to use that same spray on my bundles, but for the serum on my bundles, I'm using the AG Care Argan Oil. I'm just running that through my leave out and the hair, and then I'm going to take my Revlon blow dryer brush, and I'm just going to run it through my hair until it's dry. Now I did lose the last part of this video. I'm not sure how, but I lost the part where I straightened my leave out, because I did not straighten my bundles here, but it's basically the same thing. I don't have to apply any more product. I just go in with the straightener after I've applied all my products here and straighten it. But this is basically the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't, check out the previous video where I show you how I install the bundles. I haven't done, like I said, I haven't done quick weaves in a long time, especially with good quality hair, but I'm so excited to be doing my hair again. It's just one of the ways I like to take care of myself. And it's a great way to save money. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you aren't following me on Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest, definitely head over to the links in my description box and follow me there. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.